Oh, what a nice day this turned out to be. Wow. What a beautiful day. Now today was supposed to be the day Rob was going to get to ride this bike for the first time. And it was kind of a big deal. We made a big deal out of it. And something came up in his family obligations that he had to cancel. So for me, we're going to postpone it. We're looking forward to it. Rob's looking forward to it. But we're just going to take one of the other bikes, and it's supposed to be a beautiful riding day, an absolutely beautiful day. So I don't want to waste a lot of time. I want to get all the chores done around here, get the farm going, and change the oil in the tractor, and feed the pigs, and make the bacon and whatever, and get out on the open road. It's an open road day. Now this is the first real day of, I think it's actually going to be a summer day. It's probably going to go to 70 degrees. Karen's looking to have lunch out on the porch, and boy, if it wasn't for this virus, we'd be having a great, well, we are having a great time. What am I talking about? Thanks to these guys. But anyway, I just wanted to make one quick point before I get suited up and get out of here. All of the work that I've done on all of the bikes, including this one, and including, well, everyone, there's no exceptions. When that summer breaks and that first day of summer comes like today, and it changes everything, and all of a sudden you forget all about all those days of sanding and buffing and all those, and all you think about is, wow, we're going to hit the open road later today, and we are. First we got to take care of a few little loose ends, just a few. They're called fish, birds, coffee, and putting our leathers on. What time is it, guys? What time is it? Time for breakfast with Grandpa Lindy. Why, you're not too hungry this morning. Oh, isn't that? No wonder who's hungry in the morning, me or these fish. Now before we even take the bike out, oh, look at the size of these guys. Wow. Woo! They're turning into Hayabusas. Look at these plants. Wow, Karen is so happy with her little garden. And once we have our coffee, believe me, this day, as I look outside, this day is just, what could be better than seeing the headlight out on the driveway? Oh my God. So while it's brewing, I'll pull the bike out of the garage. Well, there's nothing better for me than having a bike all ready to go, all polished up, all pre-flighted. Oh, the garden's starting to bloom. We're in the beginning of the beautiful blooming season. My neighbor's mowing his grass already. I gotta mow my grass this afternoon. And I always think this is one of the most beautiful, the design of the bike, the look, just beautiful. We are ready to go. Oh, what a nice day this turned out to be. Wow. What a beautiful day. Okay, guys, just stay. Let's do the 6 feet apart. Everybody that made it through the winter. Everybody needs a haircut. Holy shit, we all need a haircut.
There's 4 Moto Guzzi's over there.
Wow! It's like a Moto Guzzi dealer. Like a Moto Guzzi rehab center. Does anybody here know how to ride a motorcycle? Besides me? We're posers. I'm dying to see if those guys in the park got that bikes towed away and everything. We saw some guys in the park, the cops were chasing them. Whoa, look at this. Wow. As usual, they're oogling the GS. So that BMW gas tank that I'm doing right now for Pokey, look at this bike he's got. What color you want to make this one next year?
I like it. I like this one.
Whoa! Whoa! Somebody's going by it. Yeah, we really did see those. The cops chasing some young guys in the park. Looked like one had a BMW, one had a Ducati, but I couldn't recognize them. And I ain't getting involved either. There you go. Now there's a man's motorcycle. There's a man's motorcycle. Well, no safety features on that.
Kickstand.
And who said Moto Guzzi didn't make trials bikes? Yeah. Oh, they're all out today, baby.
Which is on
It's
202.
Summer has begun. All the lizards are out sunning themselves here. Jerry, the bike still looks good, baby.
Thank you.
They're all jealous of you, I know it.
That's only because I'm good looking.
Of course, you got all that nice gray hair.
I know.
You're like Willie Nelson. You and I could get ponytails for crying out loud.
I know.
Oh.
You're doing all right yourself.
Yeah, no, not really. Oh, they're coming in now. Now they're coming in. All the hot tamales. Oh, the sound of money. Ducatizilla.
Wait, I'm gonna go home 9:00.
The park's not even worth going to.
Did you go to that breakfast place, Wendy, today?
So, the Pokey is out of the bag. That bike, I better see that bike running. That's it. It's flawless. It's perfect.
What year is it? 72. R75/5, but it's got 600cc decals on them.
Yeah, why does it have that?
Because that's what I had.
I had it on when those guys was flying through the park. Oh man. You know what I was afraid of? I turned around and went by, like try to be cute. The cops, hey, you pull over too. Oh, here we go. Oh my God.
Easter bunny.
Woo.
Oh.
You never know what you got. My protective ears, carbon fiber ears. Boy, did we have a great ride today, and boy, I feel sorry for whoever that was in the park that the cops were chasing. It's not many times we see 2 sport bikes being chased by 5 cop cars. I wonder who won that battle. Boy, what a nice ride today was. Beautiful blue skies, almost no clouds, no chance of rain. And the only thing I'm sorry I didn't have the camera on when all that action with the cops happened. What are you gonna do? You can't get everything. Anyway, as always, after any ride on the GS, I just look around and I go, wow. The day I bought this in 1982, who would have ever guessed in your wildest dream how many good rides, how much fun, how much enjoyment I'd have, how many evil twins we'd have. It's like the ultimate evil triplet here. Anyway, it was good seeing the guys again, good seeing Bob, good seeing Pokey and all of them. But, you know, we always say the first gathering like that of the year, we see who survived the winter. Sometimes they don't all survive. Anyway, thank you to the workers that are making this possible, the healthcare workers. My God, I can't thank them enough. Thank you so much. And hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.